first of all, the identity comes as two element square. First of all, what you have to do is, there are two elements with a square number, do the individual square. That means a square and b square. And do their product with the twice, because the power is 2. 2ab. Again, the same elements are there. We will follow the same criteria. Now, whatsoever are their sign, we don't care. The square parts are always positive. When it comes to the product, if the sign are same, either both are positive, both are negative, the product is always positive. If the sign are different, like if a is plus b is minus, here like in this case, or a is minus b is plus, both are different sign, the product is always negative. So this is the first case. The second case is if there are three elements with the square. Similarly, we are going to follow the same pattern, individual square and then the product. There are three elements, so 3a square, b square, c square. Now we will take their products because there are three elements. So AB first pair, BC second pair, then AC. That is AB, BC and AC. Now again the power is 2, so product will have a 2, 2, 2. Again everybody is positive, so we will follow the positive sign. The third identity is A minus B, A plus B. Whenever there are two elements in the both bracket, they are same. AB, AB, they are same. But the difference is their sign. One is negative and one is positive. So first element square, second element square, and they are subtracted. This is the way to learn. First element, second, both are square and the negative sign is followed. A plus B whole cube, the fourth identity. Now cube is there. In this one we followed the square. Here we will follow the cube. That means A cube and B cube. Now again product with the 3AB. Now again what we are going to do? We are going to just add them in the bracket A plus B. Because everything is in positive. So positive is followed. The second way to write this identity is A cube plus B cube. Now what we are going to do, because there are two elements with the cube, one time we write A square B, A square, second time B square, because the power is 3, so we'll write the 3 with their product. This is the second form to write this identity. Fifth identity is when the cube is there but signs are different, like minus is there or plus is there, the pattern is followed same. Like in the first case, we'll just write AB, and then in the A square, B square and their product. In both cases, the pattern is followed the same. Again in this one, cube and cube, the plus is there, but the elements are there, the positions are same. AB, A square, B square and AB. The difference is just their sign. If they have a minus sign in between, then in the first bracket the minus is followed. If there is plus, so the plus is followed in the first bracket. A square and B square are always positive in every case. Now if minus is there, plus is followed here. If plus is here, the product is minus. So this is few identities which are used in polynomials and the way to learn it.